Dear Dr. Girishankar, the principal of St. Dominic's College, my esteemed brother, Justice C.S. Dias, and my beloved brother, Justice Anthony Dominic, former Chief Justice, High Court of Kerala, Your Excellency, Matthew Arakel, Bishop Emeritus of the Eparchy of Kanjirappally, Father Verghese Patinthirikal, dear Mini S. Das, Sri Loknath Behra, Mr. Manoj Kumar, Dr. Sunny, Advocate Jolie, Professor Gigi George, my dear teachers, parents, and dear students. I'm extremely happy to be part of this initiation ceremony, not only of the first year of a law college. It is actually the first year of the very beginning of St. Dominic's Law College, which is going to have, or rather which has, a distinct space in the legal education map of Kerala and this country. I'm sure with the vision of this great institution, it will create history in the legal education span of this state and the country. I wish you all the best. And my dear students, you're extremely privileged and lucky to be the first batch of this great institution. You will ever be remembered that you were the first batch, and the first batch of any institution has its name and its fame and its glory. I wish you all the best, and I'm sure you will make your parents, your teachers, and the institution proud by having distinct space in your academic career by being the product of St. Dominic's College. You know, by this very name, Saint Dominic was a great saint of the Catholic Church. He's actually the founder of Dominican order, to which belonged one of the greatest jurists the world has ever seen, Saint Thomas Aquinas, the propounder of the natural theory of law. He believed that there are three theories in law. One is divine, second is natural, and third is human. Natural derived from divine, and human is actually another derivative from the natural law. But he strongly propounded that the human law shall not come in conflict with the natural law. So you're in a way blessed to be part of such a great institution where you have a great history in the name of Saint Dominic, where great jurists were part of the Dominican order. My dear students, the pursuit of knowledge, there is no other, in the pursuit of knowledge, there is no other branch of learning if you compare with the legal education. You take the case of a doctor. Doctor goes in only to the medical sciences. Take the case of engineer, goes to the technical branch. Chartered accountants, accounting. Business graduates, they go to the business learning. So every branch has its own specific targeted learning. But in the case of law, it is actually a master of all learnings, where the interdisciplinary studies has a great role to play. Because as a lawyer, you need to know something of everything. If you need to know something of everything, you need to have an approach of an interdisciplinary studies as well. Having said that, let me also remind you that to me, there is something special about a person learning law. because I always believe in this proposition that the silence of a lawman does more harm to the society than the violence of a layman, one who does not know law. The moment you come to learn what is law, then you are going to be a model for being a law-abiding citizen. And to be a law-abiding citizen, you just need to know only the basics of a good human being, how he has to conduct himself in society. You have been learning, or rather chanting, almost 12 years in your school career, that India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. You know where this comes from? This comes from the Constitution of India in the preamble. We believe in the constitutional values of justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity. This constitution stands for assuring the dignity of individual, and that is the fraternity, the level of fraternity that the constitution stands for. If the dignity of the individual is to be upheld, then every person should be treated equally without any discrimination as to caste, color, creed, language, gender, or place of birth. If you are able to see a human being as a person entitled to the same dignity as you have, then you will be in a position to treat everybody equally, to everybody with the level of respect that you would like to have, because you believe in your self-respect. Therefore, the other person also is entitled to protection of his respect in your hands as well. So let us learn to live a constitutional way of life by treating everybody equally, by respecting everybody's rights, and not simply by protecting one's own rights, and believing in a system where we have to be in a society where all are my sisters and brothers. That way you will prove yourself to be a man who has some learning in law, and then you will show to the whole world that you have the fruits of having learned law by being a law-abiding citizen and being a citizen who is useful in society and who will bear fruits in bringing up or developing a good society, or forming a good society by transforming yourself and transforming the society. I wish you all the best, and my hearty congratulations to the great institution and the team of teachers headed by Dr. Girish Shankar, and the management who has a great vision on starting a law college in this part of the country where we don't have any other institution in this part of the country. Wish you all the best once again. Thank you. Jai Hind. God bless you.
St. Dominic's College of Law, a Generation Next institution.